I think glasses are going to be the next major computing platform, but each new platform doesn't tend to just replace the old one, right? So
Yeah.
I guess the version of this that I think about is like, you probably have this experience often where you're sitting at your desk and you have your computer there, yet you still pull out your phone to do things.
That's true,
Right?
yes.
Okay, so at some point in the last 10 years, mobile really became the primary computing platform. We didn't get rid of our computers.
No.
It's just that even when you have it, you still do more things on your phone. So what I think is going to happen with glasses is we're going to get to this point, probably sometime in the 2030s, where you have your phone with you, but it's going to stay in your pocket more because you're just going to be doing more and more things on your glasses that maybe today you would do on your phone. You'll reach a point where, just like with your computer, there are probably some things that could be done in a richer way or better in some way on your phone, but you're just going to